you got a remote kill switch, right? And the problem with these remote kill switches, they don't keep your battery alive forever. So what's happening here is, you let the car sit for a while, the battery goes dead. For me, I have a parasite drawer. My problem is I use the remote switch thinking that it will solve my problem. I don't know which is on and which is off. If I hit the on, I'm ready to start my car. I could do it remote. And I don't know if it's going to work. But here it is. You can see the height of it sticking up. And what I'm going to do is get rid of the remote switch. But before I do it, I'm going to start my car. It acknowledged, because on means it's ready to turn. My light comes on. And I got no power. It basically destroyed my battery. It's below 10 volts. I'm going to need a new battery thanks to a remote switch. You can hear it fluctuating trying to start. So I am going to use this Yoba Auto Booster. It starts the car. All I need to do is hook it up. Hopefully I won't get shocked when it's trying to start the car twice. My car will start up again, trust me. So since the car tried to start once, disconnect everything, disconnect it off the unit, reconnect up, because there's no reset button. Now I'm looking on here if there is a ammeter. I'm going to go start my car. I almost smell like something burning inside. I'm going to have to disconnect my whole negative, but I'm going to give it one more shot if it's going to stop. I get out my other trusty booster. This has an ammeter built in on this. I hook it all up. I had enough power. Don't have to turn it on. Go to the car. The main problem, like I said before, I gotta take my ground off to stop the car. The alarm just doesn't want to do its job anymore. It just wants to go and go and go, the car. Might as well just disconnect it all. Now you have to turn it off. Power shut up. Put it on. Tight it up. You can lose it once. I'm with this. I'm hooking it on. Man, I'm going to think. Put my pause. Put my neg. That's on. Go start the car. Just total failure every single time I try to do. So I am just going to sit here, take this all off, and get rid of it. I just got to get this lead off here. Might as well loosen this up. Get myself a socket set, which is the proper way of doing things. Just take this off the best you can. And the funny thing is, these things don't last forever. They're not made great. They're made real loose. So you're going to have a little trouble getting this on when it just constantly spins like so. Remove this all. Put it wherever you want. Put this back on. Tighten it up. I'm getting one that's going to go here, that's going to open and close, a manual one. Once again, disconnect, want to reset. I love these plugs. Maybe these plugs can have a little longer length. Get out of my way. Hook on up. And go start my car. worn out. Start the car. System out. I'm gonna start the car. I know my problem. And my problem's not going to get solved with the battery booster. It's going to be a new cable, a new battery basically. And you can ride it all you want. A new battery, a new cutoff, tear the alarm out, hope for the best. Tighten up my cable, maybe go for a ride. But I'm afraid to go far if the battery can't hold power. Well, I'm going to tighten things back up. You don't need to have a battery to run the car. Just don't cross the positive. You notice I'm using an insulated tool. Or is it? Not hard to start a car. Gotta know what you're doing. And I may not know what I'm doing, but you do. So here I am. I'm getting ready to go for a spin. Hopefully the car don't die on me. And maybe I could rejuvenate the battery past that 10-volt part. So I go around for a couple of rides. See what happens. Oh yeah, back to the norm it feels. More miles per hour than going on the parkway and rejuvenating. Short runs will do if asked. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Not about you, buddy. One more trip and I'm gonna go get my OBD reader and hook it on up. I could use it for a smartphone. Let's see if I can start it back up. Off it goes. Start it up. That's all you need. Just a little ride.